How to download Roblox Studio on your iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox Studio on your iPhone. First, open your web browser on your mobile and search for roblox.com. Now, tap on Continue in browser to proceed. Next, enter your username, email, or phone number. Then enter your password and tap on Login. After logging in, tap on Create to access the creation page. Now, tap on the page menu icon from the bottom left corner. Then select Request Desktop Website to switch to the desktop version. Now, tap on Download to get Roblox Studio. Finally, tap on Download again to start the installation process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.